Hello friends! Today I'll be introducing you to HTML, which is the foundation of web development. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the first building block you need to learn when starting your journey as a web developer. Let's go through what HTML is, how it works, and why it's so important. What is HTML? HTML is the standard language used to create web pages. It defines the structure and content of a web page, telling the browser how text, images, and other elements should be displayed. For example, a paragraph of text is written inside a P tag. A heading is written inside H1 to H6 tags. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a web page. On its own, it looks plain, but when combined with CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity, it becomes a full interactive website. Basic structure of HTML. Every HTML page follows a simple structure. It starts with doctype HTML, which tells the browser that the document is HTML5. Then we have HTML as the root of the document inside it, a head section for metadata, title, and links to style sheets, and a body section where the actual visible content of the page goes inside the body. We usually place headings, paragraphs, images, links, and much more. So if you view the source code of any web page, you'll find this familiar structure. Common HTML tags. HTML is made up of tags. Let's look at some of the most commonly used ones. H1 to H6 for headings. H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest. P is for paragraphs. A is for links, which connect one page to another. IMG is for inserting images. Ul, ol, and li are used to create lists, both bullet points and numbered lists. Div and span are containers. These don't have a direct visual effect, but are useful for grouping and styling elements with CSS. These tags are like the alphabet of web development. You combine them to create more complex content importance of HTML. Now, why is HTML important? It's the backbone of all web pages. Every site you visit on the internet uses HTML in some form. HTML works hand in hand with CSS to style the page and with JavaScript to make it interactive. It's supported by all browsers worldwide, so learning it means your content can reach everyone. And most importantly, it's the first step in becoming a web developer. Once you understand HTML, learning CSS and JavaScript will be much easier. In short, without HTML, the web simply wouldn't exist the way we know it. So that's a quick introduction to HTML, what it is, how it's structured, some common tags, and why it's important. If you're just starting out in web development, mastering HTML is your first milestone. Once you're comfortable with it, you can move on to styling with CSS and adding functionality with JavaScript. Thank you.